In this world, nothing is free, only advice is free, which I am going to give you. In Netherlands, higher education is not free, but it is subsidized by Dutch government for making it affordable for Dutch students and also fairly accessible for international students. Hi, I am Tina. In this video, I am going to inform you the application procedure and at best the tips on how an international student can study in the Netherlands for free. If you are interested, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before starting with the application process, let me inform you the popular degree subjects in the Netherlands. Masters in Visual Arts in the Netherlands, Masters in Biomedical Engineering in the Netherlands, Masters in Health Science in the Netherlands, Masters in Media Studies, Masters in Psychology. Here are some top universities you should consider for your study in abroad. Utrecht University, Erasmus University Rotterdam, Radboud University, University of Twente, Vrije University Amsterdam, Tilburg University. Before you choose your university, do your research rigorously and make sure it fits your interests and career goals. You can check the application directly with the universities that you are interested in. And the application deadline for most of the courses are 1st of May. At some universities, the application deadline is 1st of February or the 1st of March. For the numerous fixes and duo platform, the deadline is typically 15th of January. The general recommendation is that you apply your application latest by mid-April so that you will have enough time to arrange your visa if you need one, and also you can arrange your housing before starting your studies. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. The first eligibility criteria for masters is 3 years of bachelor degree. If you have 2 years of bachelor degree, then you are not eligible. Second is what percentage or pass grade you have. You should have above 60% of score in the bachelor degree. Degree should be completed before submission. The next criteria is language. If you want to take admission on English speaking universities, then you have to show your English proficiency. You must be good in speaking English, but university will not agree on this. Hence, you have to show your IELTS or TOEFL score. For IELTS, the score should be 6 to 6.5, and for TOEFL, you should have at least 550 for paper-based or 213 for internet-based. Now I will inform you the required documents for your application. A copy of passport or ID card, a passport picture, a personal statement in English. It should contain around 500 to 800 words answering questions such as why and what would you like to study at the university, what are your plans after graduation. Next is copies of obtained secondary school diplomas, certificates and grade list, transcript of records, proof of English or Dutch language proficiency, proof of payment of application. That would cost you around 50 to 100 euro. Some universities may require additional documents such as your CV or resume, motivation letter, or your academic project work. Studying in the Netherlands means some extra steps after your application process, and that is you have to settle your health insurance. If you are coming from European country, then your current health insurance will work in the Netherlands, but if you are coming outside of the European country like India, then you have to get one European health insurance card, and that may cost you around 80 to 100 euro per month. Now it's a tips time where you almost study for free in the Netherlands. Everyone gives their favor to anyone who has good personality and academic backgrounds. The same logic applies to the universities who seek for international students for their institution. To be the one they seek for, you must have an excellent application, with all your education and artistic academic achievements included in it. Any country will first notice the outstanding scores of SAT, such as GPA or test scores. These are the things will reviewed immediately, and the possibility of acceptance will be higher than the Medicore application. With the rising costs of higher education, it is more practical to apply for Dutch scholarships instead of solely relying on study loan. Most of the scholarship programs requires outstanding school performance and good academic scores. To study for free in the Netherlands through scholarship will help you financially, academically, and later on professionally. As you study hard to maintain your scholarship, you also build productive behaviors, competency skills, and winning habits, and that you can utilize later in your career. In the Netherlands, student can apply for as many scholarships as they can. It is highly recommended to take your chances in 2 or more scholarship programs. As a classic marketing line says, more entries, more chances of winning. Just make sure to apply for those you meet the qualifications for and ensure that your application stands out. Many international students have part-time jobs along with their studies to pay for their daily expenses. If you are a non-European student, then you can work for 16 hours in a week as long as you own a work permit. However, you are allowed to work for full time during summer breaks, that is June, July, and August. Work permits can be availed at the Netherlands government with a small fee. To cover other bills and to save money, working is a most effective way to study for free in the Netherlands if you can manage your time. One bonus point for selection in the university: have work experience of minimum 3 years. If you have work experience, then your chances of selection will get increased. So these were the tips to study for free in the Netherlands. If this video was informative, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.